So we're just going to demonstrate the audio issue I'm having. So we'll select Sirius XM. See, when I turn the volume button, the little volume pop-up doesn't do anything. When you press any of the options, there's no beep. So there's just no audio coming out at all. Doesn't matter if you use the steering wheel control. So we'll try a different source. FM. No audio. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Nothing at all. So I'm going to shut the truck off and let it sit for a minute or two, because I did stop the truck and restart it, and see what happens there. I'm just picking up some food, and we'll see if letting it sit for a minute or two resets anything. See the time, 12:31. Okay, so we're back in the vehicle. I haven't started it yet, so we're going to put on the brake, push button, start. Let the unit boot up here and we'll see what happens. See, we got sound now. You can hear it. We push a button, we get beeps. So we'll go to audio. Let's actually turn that down so you can see that the volume thing pops up on the top of the screen now. Go back to Sirius, and we'll turn that down. So that was after letting it sit for, let's see, 3 minutes. So this seems to only happen when I remote start the truck. I'm just wondering if anybody else has this issue. Man, I gotta tell you, the Chicago Auto Show was a little bit of a letdown. You know, Toyota kind of made it seem like they were going to announce something big, and nothing really big came out of that show. That was back in February. And, man, it just seems like they're really just biding their time till next year when they release the new model years. You know, the one that's got all the rumors floating around, the Tundra. And there might be even changes coming to some of the other models. There's even rumor of the FJ Cruiser coming back, or some kind of variant of the FJ Cruiser. I know there was talk of them looking to produce a model of the Land Cruiser that was a little more stripped down and more affordable for their you know, everyday guys. And I don't know what else that could be, other than maybe a little bit of a bigger FJ Cruiser style vehicle, where you've just got very minimalist technologies and stuff inside. But the Chicago Auto Show was just a bit of a bummer. So we got the announcement of the Nightshade editions for the Tundra, the Tacoma, and the 4Runner already had that out. You know, I like it. It's a good look, but is it a major announcement at an auto show? I don't know. You know, I don't think so. And then you've also got the announcement they made of the Trail editions. So, you know, there used to be a Trail edition 4Runner, which became the TRD Off-Road. Now they're talking about the Trail edition Tacoma, Tundra, and 4Runner, and what that's going to mean is not really a lot. I mean, you're going to get some specialty colors, so it looks like they're going to put in the TRD Pro colors from a couple years ago, the cement, and this year's color, the Army Green, and it looks like you'll have color matched bumpers and mirrors and all that stuff, door handles. But other than that, you're just looking at maybe the addition of a couple of coolers that they add in the bed, or storage compartments in the bed you could use as a cooler. I don't know. That's not really that big of a deal to me. I mean, the color, yeah, you're getting a TRD Pro color. So anyway, yeah, guys, man, that's kind of the deal with that. Look at this. Almost no cars on the road. It's amazing. It's what is it, 2nd of April? Yeah, that's the other thing to consider is this pandemic going to affect production of vehicles, and you know, we're going to see less vehicles made for 2021. The 2022 model year is the year that the Tundra is supposed to get the big upgrade. I don't know, man. I hear so many different rumors. I don't know what to believe. So far we know there's going to be a V6 and a hybrid variant of that V6. The towing numbers and gas mileage numbers seem a little hyperinflated, but you know, if they even come close to what they're saying, that would be amazing. And then they're talking about putting the independent rear suspension of the Sequoia in there. That could be pretty cool. Or the Sequoia or the Land Cruiser. I'm not sure which one of those has independent rear. Maybe both of them do. But that would get your truck riding a little less like a truck when you're on the highway. But it is only 55 degrees and it feels really warm. The cold air blasting on me is a little welcome, actually. I can't imagine what it's going to feel like here in a couple months when it's 90. So yeah, guys, I don't know what the thought process was when Toyota discontinued the FJ Cruiser. It does have kind of a cult following, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe the sales numbers just weren't right there where they needed them. But now the market is shifting, and nobody's really buying cars anymore. And Chevrolet is no longer really making cars. Ford's not making cars. Ford has the Mustang, and that is the only car that they've really kept in their lineup. And you know, I'm thinking it's because they're gonna slowly start bringing out these electric variants, introducing their cars to the public. It'll be a big deal, right? So in this coronavirus pandemic situation that we're in, the prices of gas has really come down. We're seeing it right now as of today. I think I saw $1.65 here in the Denver metro area. And I had a friend tell me he's in Oklahoma, and in Texas they're seeing as low as $1.30, $1.35. That's you know, that's like 1990s prices, early 1990s prices. That's 25, 30 years of rollback on gasoline prices. But I think the country, the United States, needs to really treat this pandemic a little more seriously. We have the quickest spread of any other country, and we have more infected people than any other country, and we knew about it way ahead of time. We could have put some things in place. I think these stay-at-home orders and things like that may have been a little too late here. I think things were already starting to happen. You know, you just get a handful of people come and they infect a handful of people, and so on and so on, and it's it just gets out of control fast. So I hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody's healthy. And I hope everybody's doing well, and that your job is not affected too badly, and that you're able to, you know, get on after this.